Assalamu alaikum dear students. It's me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad at Beria Foundation College Noshar Feroz, subject teacher computer. Dear students, today's our topic of discussion is based on the practical using Microsoft Word. So dear students, when we will open Microsoft Word, first of all, title bar is displayed on which the name of our program is written. So dear students, the topmost bar on which the name of program is displayed is known as title bar, and dear students, beneath the title bar there is the bar on which tabs are displayed. So dear students, these tabs known as home tab, insert tab, page layout, reference, mailings, review and view are known as the tabs. So dear students, in each tab there are the different tools which are applied during editing or formatting a document. So dear students, whenever we are going to edit or format or type some paragraph or lines based on any topic, so dear students, we will have to type or insert data using the home tab. So dear students, in home tab we can compose our document, and later on there is the insert tab. So dear students, in insert tab there are different tools which enable us to enable our data to organize in a pictorial representation, in a tabular form, or it also enables us to insert clip art, picture, shapes, smart art or charts on our document. So dear students, today's topic of discussion is based on the insert tab. Insert tab enables us to insert table, to insert picture, to insert clip art, to insert shapes or to insert smart art or chart. So dear students, for suppose in insert tab we want to insert a table, so to insert a table, click on the table. When we will click on the table, a menu is appeared here in which insert table is on the topmost options. We should click on it. When we will click on it, this menu is appeared here and we will have